Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1 inch HMR, Siemens HMR from CCFL to our LSR series LED backlight kit. The LSR series including the LSR LED strips, driver, and the wire adapter for this particular 12.1 inch SIEMENS. Let me show you the model, then I can show you the front. Okay, it's A5E00734969. Okay, this is it. SIMATIC panel PC. SIMATIC panel PC, SIEMENS. Okay. Well, in order to do that, we had to remove this cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 screws. Okay, the last one. Oh, okay. We can lift up this cover. Make sure this cable go back. Remember, this two cable USB come up with this end, and we can stick outside. And this one put it right back. All right, set aside. Take a look. Here we go. So I think we had to take a 1, 2, 3, well, quite a screws all the way, so then we can look at the screen. So I took out a larger screws, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, and 2 here. Okay. So next thing, we're gonna remove the touchscreen ribbon cable connectors. Yeah, just be careful. Here we go. And then I believe this one, it should be the inverter. I could almost see a little bit here. So we're gonna take out this one. Okay. So, and then take out this one. That's, oh, it might break it. This one. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Take it out. Now I think we can lift it up. Oh, this one too. This is actually not a touch screen, but this is the key up front. Couple of the keys. So take out the plastic switch. Okay, I think we can lift it up now. Here we go. All right. Oh, this is USB port 2, but that's okay. We can leave it as is, just like that. Now I can remove the screen. You see this? Let me make it more rooms. Okay, now you see a the inverter screen. So screen wire is here. So first thing we need to do is that we need to disconnect this. And then disconnect this wire too. But 4 screws, we probably gonna mount back the same location. Okay, the last screw out. Okay, I took the inverter out already. So we just take it over, flick over like this. Just, oh, I need to, so many screws. I need to remove the screw. Then I could put the wire out, okay. Yeah. Just carefully. Take it out. Okay, next section we're gonna how you replace the LED. Okay, you just took the screen out. I just took the screen out. And then this is the LED kit, but to upgrade it easy. There's this one small Phillips screw. You need to remove it. After that, you just grab the wire to pull the whole assembly out. Just like that. Okay. So because this is our LSR series, that's quite easy. And usually I would just stick it in like this. Maybe add one of our aluminum stick to push up the LSR series against the plexiglass. So I found one of aluminum, flat aluminum to push it back. See that? Yeah. Okay. After that, I just put the piece of tape to secure the wires. And next second, we're gonna put it back. Well, I just finished the upgrade LED kits, and then add the piece of tape. I add the small aluminum foil here just to plug in the light from bleeding out. So let's connect this. Well, I just put the 4 screw back and connect this wire here. And then I was thinking mount it on the other side on the inverter, but since this wire is limited, I'm going to mount this side. Let me take a look. The wire adapter, see it's long enough or not, my wire adapters. Okay, I'm going to connect here. See, it's going to be long, should be long enough. Let me put it this way. Let me see here. We're going to put in here. Okay, so let's assume we mount it this way. Let's look at it, see? Yeah, it's long enough. It's long enough. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to mount here. Alright, I'm going to clean this one a little bit here. Okay, just stick to it. Mount the same location as the old inverters. So try to, yeah. So I'm going to get the touchscreen, flick over, and put it back. So I'm going to get this touchscreen back, and then just put it right back like this and show you. Okay, that's the way it is. But first thing first, I need to get this cable here. Yeah, it's still good. USB, still good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like this. Okay, make sure the USB cable is here. Yeah, good. Now I'm gonna connect here. So this one, be careful. The wire should be aligned with this side. This is the right connection, okay? This is how it is. See this? The wire should be this side, not other side, okay? Now I'm going to put all this out, and then you put this one back, and oops, here is a touchscreen. We're going to connect all this wire back and screw back. So I just put all the screw back, the 4 on top, 4 on bottom, 3 on right, 2 on left, and also I connect the sweeping cable back, and then connect this one back and connect the touchscreen back. So basically that's about it. So next thing we're going to do is that we're going to put the back covers, and pretty much done deal. Okay. Yep. A little bit more for this cable, and then we just need to put those 2 screws back. Okay, thank you for watching.